Hi friends, in my previous tutorial I have told you about how to store the location in the MongoDB, how to save a particular geospatial data in the MongoDB. That is completed. Now I want to tell you about something, how to search the near places. If you take one particular location, what are the near places are there for that particular location, how to search that. I will show you now how to do that. To do so, we will go to the command line, and here just I have stored one place here in my DB. We will check that places dot find dot pretty. If you see here, I have stored one place, California Academy of Sciences, and what are the coordinates are there. I have stored the data here. If you see, this is the California of Academy of Sciences. I have stored this particular location. Now I want to take one location and what are the near places are there, I want to search. For that, I will take one near point here. If you see here, see, this is the place. I want to search this place. I have stand here and I want to search what are the near places are there to me. So how can I do that? To do that, first we need to write the find query. db.places.find. Here you need to pass the location. Whatever the keyword is there, we are storing that particular location in our DB. That keyword you have to use here. Here location. Sorry, you need to mention correctly location. And here you need to pass one keyword, that is $near. $near is the keyword that is helpful to retrieve the near places. And one combination is also there, that is $geometry. For this $geometry, we need to pass the location. Whatever the embedded document is there for location, that document we need to pass here. Here $geometry, here type. What is the type? That is point. And here we need to pass the coordinates. Coordinates is the array. In this we have to give the longitude and latitude. What is the longitude for this place? This is the one longitude. We need to take this, and you need to remember this. In the MongoDB we have to give the longitude first. Then after we need to give the latitude. Here. Now see. Now what it is saying means, it is throwing an error saying unable to find index for GeoNear query. So before finding the location, we need to create an index for that particular location in the MongoDB collection. So in my previous tutorial, I told you about how to create an index on the collection. So now to run this query, we need to create an index. So to do that, we need to write db.collection name places, and here we need to write create index. For this create index method, you need to pass the keyword based on what keyword you are searching in the DB. That keyword you need to mention here. Here we are searching based on location, right? So this location, however the key is there, that key you need to give here, location. For this, what you need to mention, 1 or -1, not 1 or -1, those we are using for saving in sorting order, but here not like that. For geodata, you need to pass 2D sphere. This one you need to pass here. Now create index. Here we have created the index successfully. Now you need to find our query. We'll give pretty, then it will look much better. See, now the near place here, whatever the location we have stored in our DB, it is near to our point, right? Here it is our point and this is the California Academy. So it is near to that place. So it has given that result. So in this way we can search the near places. Not only this, we will go for searching within some radius, right? We will give some maximum distance, minimum distance. So how can we do that? Here you will go and you have to give here max distance. For that key is the $max distance. Here you need to pass the distance, how much you want to search. Then you can also give the minimum distance. The keyword is $min distance. Here you can give how much you want to. Now see min distance. Sorry, the keyword I have given wrong here. Di. Okay. Here it is not giving within the radius, means the distance from here to here may be more. That is the way it is not taking that much value. Just increase the value and see. I will give here 1000, maybe more, 2000. Yeah, in this radius we have found this location. So in this way you can search the near places and you can also put the conditions like what is the maximum distance and what is the minimum distance. In this way you can use this. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you.